The year 2157. Earth has just developed faster than light communication but remains isolated in space. The Global Defense Council operates from New Geneva, monitoring deep space signals. Main characters: Commander Jake Rivers, lead of Earth's First Contact Protocol Team; Dr. Lisa Ward, Chief; Xenobiologist and Communication Specialist Captain Tom Blake, Military Advisor and Strategic Planner Ambassador Elena Cross; Diplomatic Corps, Leader. Plot points: opening scene. Strange signals detected from the outer solar system. The signals show mathematical patterns that prove intelligent origin. Earth's population watches in excitement as humanity prepares for first contact with alien life. The message: Dr. Ward successfully decodes the alien transmission. The message is simple but chilling. Primitive species detected. Resource extraction will begin in 7 rotations. Resistance is futile. Alien arrival. Massive ships appear near Jupiter. The aliens call themselves the Dominion. They are tall, grey beings with advanced technology. They view humans as they would view insects. Failed diplomacy. Ambassador Cross attempts peaceful communication. The Dominion leader, speaking through a translator device, explains that Earth contains rare minerals needed for their empire. Humans are considered too primitive to negotiate with. The ultimatum: the aliens give humanity 72 hours to evacuate major cities. They will strip mine the planet and relocate survivors to work camps on distant worlds. The Dominion has done this to 47 other species. Human response: world leaders call emergency sessions. Panic spreads globally. However, Commander Rivers notices something the aliens missed. They assume human technology is limited to what they can see from space. Cliffhanger: as the Dominion prepares their extraction fleet, Rivers discovers that humans have something the aliens have never encountered in their conquests. A species that fights hardest when cornered. Plot development: the aliens begin their invasion, expecting quick surrender. Instead, they discover humanity's true nature. Invasion begins. Dominion ships descend on major cities. Their weapons easily destroy buildings, but humans refuse to evacuate. Instead, they hide, adapt, and begin studying alien technology first. Surprise: a crashed alien scout ship is quickly surrounded by human engineers and scientists. Within hours, they reverse-engineered basic alien tech. The Dominion expected this to take primitive species decades. Underground resistance. Cities that appear destroyed from above still teem with human activity below. Subway systems, basements, and tunnels become command centers. Humans show their talent for survival in harsh conditions. Alien confusion. The Dominion reports to their fleet commander that humans behave unlike previous conquered species. Instead of surrendering, human resistance grows stronger each day. Human adaptation. Military forces worldwide begin using alien technology combined with human innovation. Hybrid weapons emerge. Human pilots learn to fly captured alien craft with surprising speed. Major conflict development. Humanity reveals its greatest strength: the ability to adapt, innovate, and never give up. Guerrilla warfare. Human forces launch coordinated attacks on alien positions. The Dominion realizes their energy shields, designed to stop advanced weapons, are vulnerable to simple human tactics like explosive charges and acid attacks. Tech revolution. Human engineers create new weapons by combining alien energy sources with human creativity. Plasma rifles powered by car batteries. Alien communication arrays hacked to spread human resistance messages. The alien dilemma. The Dominion fleet commander contacts the High Council. This conquest is taking far longer than expected. Other species had surrendered by now. Humans seem to grow more dangerous with each defeat. Unexpected allies. Some Dominion soldiers begin questioning their orders. They have never seen a species fight so fiercely for their home. A few begin secretly helping human resistance groups. Human unity. Global conflicts end as humanity unites against the common threat. Former enemies share technology and resources. The species that couldn't agree on climate change now works as one against extinction. Climactic battles humanity begins, winning through determination, creativity, and refusal to surrender. Major victory. Human forces capture a Dominion command ship. They discover the aliens' greatest weakness. They have never faced a species that adapts so quickly. All their strategies assume predictable enemy behavior. Reverse engineering complete. Human scientists unlock faster-than-light travel using alien technology. They improve it with human innovations the aliens never considered. Counterattack. Earth launches its first interstellar mission, not for exploration, but for war. Human ships, built from alien technology and human determination, strike Dominion supply lines. Psychological warfare. Humans broadcast messages throughout Dominion space. They show footage of human resistance, survival, and adaptation. Other conquered species begin their own rebellions. Alien retreat. The Dominion fleet commander makes a difficult decision. Earth is no longer worth the cost. He prepares to withdraw and destroy the planet rather than lose more ships. Asterisk, resolution, and humanities. Triumpher, conclusion, reveals why humans succeeded where 47 other species failed. Final battle. As Dominion forces prepare planet-killing weapons, human ships return from their deep space mission. They bring allies, freed species from other worlds who learned human tactics, the human way. The final confrontation shows the difference between humans and other species. Where others surrendered or fought predictably, humans adapted, innovated, and inspired others to fight. Alien surrender. The Dominion High Council contacts Earth directly. They offer peace terms. For the first time in their empire's history, they negotiate as equals with a primitive species. New galactic order. Humans don't seek revenge. Instead, they offer something the galaxy has never seen. Cooperation instead of domination. The Dominion Empire begins to crumble as member species choose human-style alliances. Epilogue. 5 years later, Earth leads a galactic federation. Humans are known throughout space not for their technology, but for their refusal to give up and their ability to inspire others. The species that was nearly extinct becomes the hope for galactic peace. Final message. The story ends with a transmission. From Earth to new civilizations, this is humanity. We believe in freedom, cooperation, and never surrendering. If you need help, we will come. If you threaten others, we will stop you.